I'm going to use some ripe bananas and make a delicious banana cake. Not only that, I'm going to add some walnut into the cake and do a icing with caramel sauce. Welcome to Kish Pastry. First, I want to make a caramel because I need a cold caramel to go on the cake and mix with the buttercream. First, sugar goes in, and use a pan with tall side because this is gonna bubble up. Sugar and water mix well, and after I'm gonna keep this on medium heat until it's bubble up. Try not to touch the walls. With a brush you can take off this sugar on the walls before it caramelizes. Now you can see it's getting light amber color. Have to wait a bit longer. Always stay with the sugar because it can burn easily. When it's golden amber, I'm gonna pour in the double cream after the butter. Now it's golden amber. I just reduce my fire. I'm gonna pour in the double cream. Careful, it's very hot. I'm going to let this sugar melt. It got a bit stuck into the whisk. After I'm going to add the butter. Let butter melt and cook it for another 2-3 minutes, and your caramel is ready. So the caramel is really hot. I'm gonna leave it outside to cool down, and after I'm gonna chill it in the fridge. If you find any small pieces of sugar or lumps, just leave a bit longer on fire, but be careful not it to get burned. Got the ingredients here for the banana cake. First I'm gonna preheat my oven, and I'm gonna shift this plain flour and bicarbonate of soda together. Next thing, I'm gonna peel this banana and mash them. And I have to mash these bananas. I'm using ripe bananas. It's completely mashed. Now the sugar going in. I'm gonna use a whisk here. Mix well. Eggs. Oil. Milk. Mix all these ingredients. It bit liquidy. So next I'm gonna add the flour. Add flour and mix it Try not to get any lumps. Batter is ready now. Only the walnuts to go in. And I'm gonna get this into a cake tin. I grease and line this cake tin with the parchment paper. Now I'm gonna pour it in the batter. Before I bake, I'm gonna cover this cake with the tin foil. I'm making a little bit of caramel here to pour over the walnuts. I trim a little bit from the sides. I already did my buttercream, the simple buttercream. Now I'm gonna add some caramel sauce into the buttercream. Please check my previous video for the buttercream recipe. Link is on top of the screen now. Cake itself is not that sweet, so don't worry adding some caramel into the buttercream. I'm slicing the cake into two and sandwich with caramel buttercream. I got some caramel in this bag. I'm gonna pipe on top of this cake. I'm piping some caramel buttercream on top and placing some caramelized walnuts on top of the cake. I'm sprinkling some chopped caramel on top of the cake. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try this at home, it's really delicious. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in next video.